Hi, my name is Kayden Guillet. This is my 1954 John Deere 40 from Oxford, Connecticut. But I drove this from Beacon Falls from my dad's shop. It was a fun ride. Took about 28 minutes to get here. Averaged 10 miles an hour coming. Originally, my grandpa built this tractor. He's slowly starting to give it down to me, and I drive it to all the car shows now. Show people. Not many people do this anymore. So it's a good tradition to do. Support all the farmers out there too.
Now you're from a farm family?
Yeah, my grandpa grew up on a farm. My other grandpa grew up on a farm, all upstate, one down in Kentucky.
Well, that's great.
Yep.
You don't mind me sitting up on the tractor, do you?
Huh?
You don't mind me sitting up on the tractor, do you?
I don't.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
How cool is this? I feel like I'm ready to go down a drag strip.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much.
Oh, yeah,
telling me about this. And you have a pet name for the vehicle?
I don't.
Okay. Well, we'll have to think of a pet name like Melania or something like that. Thank you.